Hey, how's it going? So, today I want to tell you about my secret for getting food right before a snowstorm or a hurricane. The supermarkets, there's people hanging out the door, the lines, take hours and hours. Uh, you know, you don't want to go to a place like BJ's or a Costco, you're going to same thing. So, what I do is I go to pharmacies, like a CVS or Walgreens or a Rite Aid, and they have plenty of things, food, they have water, peanuts, things like oatmeal and snacks. And, they're not going to have everything the supermarket has, but they're going to have enough to get you through, a few days. And they're not going to have, or I found they don't have lines, or very little. People just, they run in a herd and they go to the same place. So that's what I do, and I would suggest that you try it. So good luck. Hope you survive.